This project demonstrates an assertive and compelling use of two colors in a traditional Venetian terrazzo design. The installation defines the lobby of a new waterfront residential development with commercial space and a public park built on a former industrial site. NTMA judges particularly commended the corridor bands and the irregular grids in each elevator lobby. Brass divider strips establish a checkerboard pattern with alternating colors that reads as playful at first glance, yet reveals a precisely repeating order on closer study. Charcoal breaks up the cream field in well-calibrated intervals, adding visual interest. Aggregate seating is consistent and joints are clean. The epoxy terrazzo was poured at 5/8 of an inch to accommodate the size 4 to 6 Venetian aggregates. The project incorporates more than 4,000 linear feet of heavy quarter-inch brass strips. A perfectly prepared flat level floor ensured the consistent reveal between the 18-inch precast straight base and the limestone wall panels above. The poured-in-place benches complete the design. This top-notch installation at Hunters Point in Long Island City, New York, reflects exceptional craftsmanship and execution by Yorie Corporation of Newark, New Jersey.